Hi guys, it's Miss Olivia. Today we're going to play another math game. It's not a dice game, it's a card game. So what you'll need is a deck of cards, and you might want to make a number line. I made one from numbers 1 to 12. Okay. So you'll see that right now the deck is kind of split into two, although this pile is much smaller, and I'm going to show you why. In this pile, I have all of the face cards. They're called face cards because they have faces on them. This is the queen. See, there's two faces, the jack and the king. So we're not going to play with the face cards right now. So I've taken them all out of the deck. I'm also going to show you that in our deck of cards, we have numbers 1 to 10, although of course they're not in order, and there's 4 of each number. You are not going to see the number 1 when you see an ace. You see where there's 4 A's on the card, that means 1. So if an ace comes up, you can treat it like a 1. Okay. So for war, you can play by yourself or with a stuffy. It is extra fun if you play with a partner. So today, Sweetheart told me that he really wanted to be on the video. So I said, that's fine. And I'm gonna play with him. So Fortune and Lips are just going to watch, and they're going to learn and play after because they don't know how to play. But Sweetheart and I already talked about how to play. Okay, so I'm gonna put Sweetheart right there. So what I need to do is shuffle the cards. Just mixing them up. Okay, and I'm going to divide the deck in two. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. We each have 20 cards. And if you need help doing that, which you might, you can ask an adult in your house for some help. Okay, we each have 20 cards. I have the number line here, and we're going to count down from 3 and say 3, 2, 1, war. And when we say war, we flip the top card of our decks over and compare. Whoa! 2 1s. So normally what would happen is that the player with the larger number would take the other card, but in this case we've tied. So if we tie, we just do it again. 3, 2, 1, war. Now that's very unusual, and I'll tell you at home this was not planned. So we just tied again. All we're gonna do is keep our cards. It's also unusual that we went 1, 2, but if we get a 3, I don't know what to say. That's very spooky. Okay, 3, 2, 1, war. Okay, finally. So, Sweetheart flipped a 7, I flipped an 8. If you don't know which number is bigger, you can look at your number line, and I can see that 8 is bigger than 7. So then I would get to keep the 7. And I'm going to put it in my pile. And we're going to go again. 3, 2, 1, war. Sweetheart flipped an ace, which is a 1, and I flipped a 7. The 7 is larger than the ace, so I get to keep the ace. And we keep playing until all of our cards have been flipped over. The player with the larger pile at the end of the game has won the game, and then you can shuffle your cards again and play again. For an extra big challenge, you can add the face cards to your deck, and all you have to do is you can pretend that Jack is a 10. There are also 10s in the deck, which means you'll have lots of 10s. Queen is an 11, and the king would be a 12. So if you want to play with the face cards and go up to the number 12, all you would have to do is add those face cards, shuffle your deck lots and lots of times. That wasn't a lot of shuffling, and then you would divide it in two and play again. Okie dokie guys, we'll see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye.